In this tutorial, I will show you that how you can find a sound ID on Roblox in just few easy steps. First, go to roblox.com. Once you are on the website, click on create at the top. After that, click on store and wait for the page to load. Now, click on audio. Here you will see different audio genres. For example, select electronic. When you click on the drop down next to the music, you will see an option called more info. If this is the audio you are looking for, go to the URL bar at the top next to the word asset and you will find the audio ID. Click and drag to highlight the entire ID, then right click and select copy. If you want to use this sound ID in Roblox Studio, open Studio and go to workspace. Click the plus icon and select sound. Make sure sound object is selected. Now go to the properties panel where you see sound ID. Right click, paste the ID, click preview if you want to test the sound. So that's how you can find a sound ID on Roblox in just few steps.